here you can see ఇది see-through అండి, like mirror bridge. You can see the mirror bridge. You can see the mirror bridge, and we are heading towards Vivekananda Rock Memorial లో ఉండే ఇప్పుడు bridge ఇది. They call it see-through bridge. You can see that, like you can see that I'm walking and you can see the pole, something like that. Set up here. And you can see it here again. You know, a lot of people are like, you know, they're dancing here, like, you know, they're walking. There's a lot of stonework is there. This is the bridge, and where you can see